this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a SIM card to your Samsung Galaxy phone. So whether you're changing SIM cards or you just want to go and add a new SIM, I'm going to show you how to do this in a couple of easy steps. So the very first thing you need to do is just go and tilt your phone onto the side, and you need to go and locate the SIM tray. Now this will typically be found in the top left hand side of your phone, and you can identify this as you'll see a small pinhole, and this is what we need to press to go and release the SIM tray. So what you need to do is go and grab your SIM removal tool. If you haven't got this or you've lost this, you can also use a small pin or a paper clip as well. Just basically anything that you can stick inside of this hole here. Now what you need to do is go and use your pin to press down in this hole, and you'll see this will pop open the SIM card tray. So now just use your fingers to fully pull out the tray like so. And at the moment I don't have a SIM card in my device, but if you do have one in here, then you can just go and remove it. Now to insert your new SIM card, we need to make sure it's aligned correctly. Now on your physical SIM card, you'll notice a kind of small triangle section cut out of the SIM card. Now we're going to use this to make sure it's aligned correctly in our phone. Now you can actually see as well that there's different types of SIM cards that you can add into your mobile, but most of the time we're going to be using this one at the top here. So I'm just going to place my SIM card in here, making sure the triangle is in this bottom right hand corner. You could then reinsert the SIM tray back into your mobile device, and this should just glide in nice and easily. If you've inserted the SIM card the wrong way, then you may not be able to push this tray back into the phone, so just try rotating the SIM card, and then you should be able to slide the tray in like this, and you can now begin using your SIM card.